Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to batch compress images for free using TinyPNG in 2026. So if you have many PNG or JPG files taking too much storage space, yeah, this guide will help you compress them all at once quickly and easily. First, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. This free tool supports batch image compression directly online. Next, open your image folder and select multiple PNG or JPG files together. So this lets you compress many images in one session. Now drag and drop all selected images into TinyPNG. I mean, the tool will automatically start compressing every file. So yeah, wait until all images finish processing. TinyPNG will reduce file sizes while keeping the pictures looking clear. Next, click the Download All button to save every compressed image to your PC. This is much faster than downloading files one by one. Finally, organize your optimized images into folders for websites, social media, or backups. So smaller files help improve storage and upload speed. And that's how to batch compress images for free using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you compress multiple images together, saving storage space and speeding up uploads becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.